all just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know?
It's 3:30 p.m. and I just finished it with the edition of the Tricktober Day 3, week 3 drawing. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the voiceover for this video, and also I'm going to do the voiceover for the Draw With Me, Patreon Draw With Me. I have it here. So I'm going to catch up with you guys after doing that. By the way, Phoebe is here sleeping. I have to put this blanket because she is scratching my pants, so yeah. Here it is. Let's start with this boy. I'm going to set up the timer and start right now. Hi guys, happy Thursday, also happy week. Yesterday I couldn't have time to talk to you. I was busy working on some things. What I did yesterday, guys, I don't remember. I have my memory super bad. Yeah, basically yesterday I was editing like the video that it's going to be post tomorrow, also the blog, also the Draw With Me video for patrons that it's already post there. So I was busy editing. I think I didn't talk to you, so I'm a disaster. But well, the thing is that today, this morning, I have been working on the sketch session for patrons. You know that I just record a 1 hour and a half sketching session so patrons can follow. Normally I work 5 references in 15 minutes, so I think putting some time on the sketch session is good to get fluent on the sketching. And meanwhile I was sketching, I'm just explaining a little bit things that, or the references, not the references itself, but the references inside the references I use to take proportions and things. So I think also it's a very good job to understand how to work with, a reference. And what I'm going to do now, it's noon. What I'm going to do now is work on the feedbacks, because Friday I couldn't work on the feedbacks, and over the weekend I was busy working on the traditional ink for Inktober, and yeah. So this is, guys, this is my life. I'm going to show you right now how the sketch session results look up. I'm very happy with a few of them, not from others, but well, this is something that happens every time. So this is the result for the sketch session. I think these 3 here are my favorites, and these 2 the last favorites. This one is the first one I made. So yeah, I think I did. This one is looking super nice. Also the face expression and everything, I really like this kind of, style, not that comic style, you know what I mean. So I have here my setup, the tripod. I put here the microphone, by the way. Right now you can see it because I have it on the camera for sure, so you can hear me well on the camera. So here you can see the microphone and the camera. And I have been recording all the process. So what I'm going to do now is put here again the microphone and start recording the feedbacks. Here is the result for the traditional part. You will see the video. Well, you already saw the video because I published it last week for you. For me, it's this week. So I'm very happy with the result of the Inktober week 3. I'm happy. It could be done better for sure, but well, this is how it looks. It's not, or I didn't like it as much as the first one I did, but obviously it's better from the second one. So this video is going to be available for you already. It's from last Wednesday, and yeah, so give it a go if you want to see more about this drawing. ¿Ves que al hacer el cuerpo más grande, ahora los brazos se ven súper cortos. Si te fijas, antes se veían como súper largos y todo este rollo. Okay guys, I just finished it with the feedbacks. It's 2 p.m. So I'm going to have lunch because I am hungry. So I'm going to have lunch and I'm going to think what I have to do next this afternoon. So it's 5 p.m. right now, so I'm going to work on the shop. I had a late lunch today because I have been speaking with my mom by phone, and then while I was eating, I was watching The Handmaid's Tale. I had a couple of episodes to, finish until the next one is released this Thursday. So yeah, I have been 1 hour and a half watching the series, the show. So I have to start working right now, at least for a couple of hours or 3 hours more. And then tomorrow it's going to be a new day with different, with a lot of work either. Bye guys. Hi guys, happy Thursday. Today is the webinar day. It's this afternoon at 8 p.m. And right now I'm dealing with a mosquito. By the way, if you see I'm just watching like a psychopath, it's because I see the mosquito flying around me and Phoebe, and we are some kind of, I don't know, but we have a lot of mosquitoes lately and I don't know where they came from, but well, hopefully today we can find the place they are coming from. I guess it has to be some pot where they have some water there or something. So yeah, I mean, it's a mosquito, the ones that bites you, not like these small mosquitoes that they didn't do anything. So that's why I'm super mad right now. I'm looking like a psychopath, like it's coming. I mean, everything that moves around is like the mosquito. I have to kill it. So, well, the thing is that we are going to work on the workshop today, doing some drawings, also preparing a little bit of explanation and this stuff. And yeah, this is like the spoiler of the day. Yesterday I didn't film anything, basically because I was so focused on the shop. You know guys that I want to open the shop as soon as possible before Christmas, and hopefully I think I'm going to be able to do that on November. So well, November is for you November right now, but probably at mid-November or something like that, before Black Friday I want to do that. And yeah, so I'm going to show you later what I have to. I'm not going to do it right now because you see it's super dark and it's 8:30 in the morning, so it's so early guys. That the sun it didn't show it yet, so it's so early. And well, let's do that guys. Let's go with this webinar. I'm a little bit nervous, if I have to be honest. Even I'm not going to be sharing my face on camera, which I really appreciate. But yeah, I don't know guys, I feel so nervous when I have to do these kind of things like webinars or workshops or these things. I never know if what I'm explaining makes sense, you know what I mean? So I don't know if people are going to find it interesting or are going to think that I didn't show them anything special. So yeah, well, let's do that. Let's find first where the mosquitoes comes and also if I killed him. Because I don't know, I have the feeling that it's watching me somehow, and let's paint a little bit. Okay guys, it's 1:30 more or less, and I have been doing like some kind of keynote for this webinar. So probably I'm going to choose one of these references or a couple of them to show people how to work with reference and how to stylize from references, you know, because I don't have any more time to do, I say before, but I don't have time to do things. So I will catch up with some references. I will put some examples. So this is what I got so far for the shop. You can see here some of the designs. I made this a long time ago, and I really love how it looks. I will show you this more in detail in the future, but you see I have here some sweatshirts, t-shirts, hoodies, more. These ones are like the same. I think I want this one to be like my merchandise, you know, because it's very similar to my logo, you see. So I want this to be like my brand things. And here we have this one here. You know, I think now it's looking fine after all these changes I did yesterday. More tote bags here, another hoodie, and more t-shirts. And also we have this mug. I mean, I really love this mug. I think I'm going to receive mine in a few days, and I think it's looking very nice. I mean, it's very simple, but I love the colors. Okay guys, so this is what I have so far for the shop. I will show you more when I have more done. I need to change the banners, I need to prepare everything, I need to prepare all the marketing things. So I'm not going to do that today because today is focused, I already said that before, it's focused to the webinar, and tomorrow it's going to be focused on Patreon. But yeah, I will show you guys more in detail next week. And now I'm going to have lunch because I am hungry, and I'm going to do like the drawings I'm going to present on the webinar. Oh yeah, this is what it is, guys. I just needed something relaxed. Probably I'm going to do some coffee or some tea. Hi guys, happy Friday. I just ended up filming the podcast for my patrons in Spanish and in English, and also the Q&A video for this month. I'm very happy because this month is actually the first Q&A video I made for the Perk illustrators, which is something I really wanted to do for so long. But now that I have more patrons in that tier, I think it's a moment to make, you know, a full video with all the questions. For YouTube, this week I have been a disaster. I really need to prepare right now the videos. I need to do some photos for the thumbnails. So I decided that I'm super tired of this week, and today it was day 4, you know, wearing like this kind of comfy clothes for a very relaxing day. Today I wanted to be relaxed, even I have to do a lot of stuff that I didn't finish yet, and it's 2:30 p.m. so I have to do lunch. But today I arrived the first sample. Right now I still have to receive like a sweatshirt like very similar to this, but in other color and things, and a hoodie. So I'm going to show you first the mug. I think, guys, this mug is super nice. I'm in love. I mean, I'm in love with that. You see, I put it in both sides, so I mean, it's super nice, guys. I really love it. I can't wait to have my coffee in this mug. One of the things that I really wanted to also see is how people is going to receive this package, because remember, I am using drop shipping method for my shop right now. So I think that mug comes super protected with this kind of box. Also, it's my logotype here. You can see it now, it's the correct way. But yeah, the box, it's quite nice, and it comes super protected. So I think, guys, you're not going to have any issue when you receive this kind of products, that they are very, you know, susceptible to break. So yeah, hope you like it. By the way, next Monday I'm going to have the coffee here, and yeah, this is for the shop thing, and I'm going to show you the final version of the webinar drawing. By the way, we have Phoebe here, being cute as always. True. She's super big, guys. It's nice that you're seeing how she's growing up with me over the videos. So this is something that makes me special illusion. And this is like the final, well, not final, I already said that, not final. But this is the design I proposed for the webinar yesterday. I wanted to show how to create a character with references from the beginning to the end. If you didn't saw or if you couldn't attend to the webinar, I'm going to share with you the link as soon as I have it, because it's going to be free on Graphicsly YouTube channel. And you can see here the layers. I made some kind of organization with the tags and things, and yeah, I think it was very interesting, and I hope you guys like the drawing. So that's all for this week, and that's all for this blog. I really needed, I don't know, guys, how it's going to look, this blog. I'm sorry for the quality and the information, but this is what it is, guys. I can do more. I mean, I'm showing you my life, how it is without sweetening it. So if it's a cow, if my week is a cow, the blog is going to be a cow. So I hope you appreciate that. I mean, this honesty between you and me, I could think, or I could wait to have something nice to post, but I think that's not the point for this kind of vlogs. And well, before leaving, I want to say thank you to my patrons, because they lend me the time to make videos, they lend me the time to draw, and also they hear me when I have problems and when I have doubts, and they are also super responsive when I have doubts that I need to resolve and I need feedback. So thank you so much, patrons, for being here. I really appreciate that. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, or more videos like the other videos I have, because I not only have vlogs, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, so this way I can continue working with this content. So say that, guys. See you next week. Bye bye.